Did you know that some vegetables you eat every day could actually be feeding cancer cells and damaging your health? According to top fasting expert Dr. Mindy Pelz, these common veggies are doing more harm than good. In this video, we'll uncover the 4 vegetables you should avoid immediately to protect yourself from oxidative stress and long-term damage. When it comes to living a long and healthy life, we often focus on the foods we should eat. But what about the foods we need to avoid? According to Dr. Mindy Pelz, a leading expert in fasting and alternative health, certain vegetables can actually accelerate aging, increase inflammation, and even feed cancer cells. These vegetables might seem harmless, but the science shows they could be doing serious damage to your body. In today's video, we'll break down 4 specific vegetables that Dr. Mindy recommends cutting out of your diet to protect your health and longevity. Ready to find out what they are? Let's dive into the first one. 1. Potatoes. First up are potatoes, but specifically conventionally grown white potatoes. Dr. Mindy Pelz highlights that these common vegetables can be much more harmful than they seem. The biggest issue with conventionally grown white potatoes is that they're essentially starch bombs. When you eat them, they cause a rapid spike in your blood sugar levels, which might give you quick energy, but it's followed by an inevitable crash. This constant up and down cycle in your glucose levels makes you more prone to insulin resistance, a key driver of not only weight gain, but also more serious health issues like diabetes and even cancer. What makes this worse is the way these potatoes are grown. Most conventional potatoes are heavily sprayed with harmful pesticides, including glyphosate. These chemicals don't just harm pests, they also wreak havoc on your gut health by destroying beneficial bacteria that help regulate your blood sugar and immune system. A damaged gut leads to chronic inflammation, which can accelerate aging and make your body more vulnerable to diseases, including cancer. However, not all potatoes are off the table. Dr. Mindy points out that sweet potatoes, as well as colorful varieties like purple or red potatoes, are a much healthier choice. These alternatives are high in resistant starch, a type of fiber that doesn't cause rapid glucose spikes. Instead, it feeds the healthy bacteria in your gut, promoting better digestion, steady energy, and balanced blood sugar levels. Even better, if you can get your hands on potatoes from a regenerative farm, you'll benefit from fewer chemicals and more nutrients. These farms focus on growing crops that are naturally nutrient-rich, without the harmful pesticides. In short, if you're a potato lover, try switching to sweet potatoes or a mix of colorful varieties to keep your body healthy and your blood sugar stable. 2. Iceberg lettuce. Next on the list is iceberg lettuce, a vegetable many people consider a healthy choice, especially in salads. But according to Dr. Mindy Pelz, iceberg lettuce offers very little nutritional value and can actually be harmful when conventionally grown. Iceberg lettuce is mostly water with minimal vitamins, minerals, or fiber. While it might seem like a light, refreshing option, it's essentially an empty food. When you eat iceberg lettuce, you're filling up your stomach, but not giving your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. Over time, relying on nutrient-deficient foods like this can lead to mineral imbalances and lower energy levels. The problem becomes even worse when iceberg lettuce is grown using conventional farming methods. Most iceberg lettuce is sprayed with harmful pesticides and grown in nutrient-depleted soil, which means it lacks the essential vitamins and minerals that vegetables should provide. These chemicals can also damage your gut microbiome, which is essential for keeping your immune system strong and fighting off diseases, including cancer. Dr. Mindy emphasizes the importance of getting the most out of your greens by choosing nutrient-dense options like mixed leafy greens, spinach, or arugula. These darker, more colorful greens are packed with vitamins like A, C, and K, along with essential minerals like magnesium and potassium. They also provide more fiber, which helps to improve digestion and keep your blood sugar levels stable. If you want to take your health to the next level, try sourcing your greens from regenerative farms. These farms grow produce in rich, healthy soil, which leads to crops with higher nutrient content. Plus, by eating a variety of greens, you're supporting microbial diversity in your gut, which helps maintain a balanced and strong immune system. So, if you're used to adding iceberg lettuce to your salads, consider swapping it out for more nutrient-dense greens that will truly benefit your body and keep you healthier in the long run. 3. Conventional carrots. Third on Dr. Mindy Pelz's list are conventional carrots. While carrots are often seen as a healthy snack, the issue isn't the carrot itself, but how it's grown. Carrots from conventional farms are typically grown in nutrient-depleted soil and are heavily sprayed with pesticides, which strip away much of their natural nutritional value and add harmful toxins into the mix. Carrots are supposed to be a rich source of beta-carotene, an antioxidant that converts to vitamin A in the body, supporting eye health and immune function. But when conventionally grown, they lose much of their nutrient density. Worse yet, the pesticides used on these carrots can disrupt the balance of good bacteria in your gut, leading to inflammation and increased oxidative stress, both of which accelerate aging and make you more vulnerable to serious illnesses like cancer. The key concern here is that the harmful chemicals used in conventional farming don't just stay on the surface. They seep into the carrot itself. Eating these vegetables regularly means you're ingesting more than just a snack. You're also consuming the toxins that come with them, which can build up in your system over time. Dr. Mindy emphasizes the importance of choosing organic or regeneratively grown carrots instead. Organic carrots are grown without harmful pesticides and in healthier soil, making them far more nutrient-dense. Regenerative farming practices focus on enhancing soil health and producing crops that are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. When you opt for organic or farm-fresh carrots, you not only get all the benefits that carrots offer, like improving vision, boosting immunity, and supporting overall health, but you also avoid the toxins that can harm your body. If carrots have been a staple in your diet, make the switch to organic or regenerative options. You'll still enjoy all the crunchy goodness without the harmful chemicals, protecting your health and supporting better gut function. 4. Celery sticks. Last on Dr. Mindy Pelz's list is conventional celery sticks. Like carrots, celery is often seen as a go-to healthy snack, but conventionally grown celery can do more harm than good. Celery, especially when grown on large-scale farms, is one of the most pesticide-contaminated vegetables, according to studies. These pesticides can disrupt your gut microbiome, leading to inflammation, which is a key driver in aging and chronic diseases like cancer. The issue with conventionally grown celery is that it absorbs a lot of water, which also means it absorbs more chemicals from the soil and pesticides sprayed during farming. Every time you crunch into a conventional celery stick, you may be ingesting harmful toxins that can damage your cells, increase oxidative stress, and even affect your hormonal balance. Over time, this toxic buildup can weaken your immune system and make you more vulnerable to diseases, including cancer. Dr. Mindy advises that if you want to continue eating celery, the best option is to switch to organic or regenerative farm-grown celery. These farms don't use harmful pesticides, ensuring you get the health benefits of celery, such as its anti-inflammatory properties and high water content for hydration, without the added risks of chemical exposure. Also, try to avoid sticking to the same vegetables over and over again. Eating a variety of vegetables helps feed different types of good bacteria in your gut, boosting microbial diversity and enhancing your immune system. Mix it up by incorporating cucumbers, bell peppers, or even radishes into your snack routine to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients without compromising your health. So next time you reach for celery sticks, make sure they're organic. Or better yet, switch up your veggie snacks to include more variety and improve your gut health while reducing your exposure to harmful toxins. Bonus tip: avoid bad oils. As a bonus, Dr. Mindy Pelz stresses the importance of eliminating bad oils from your diet. Highly processed oils like canola, soybean, corn, and vegetable oils are common in many kitchens and packaged foods, but they are major contributors to inflammation, insulin resistance, and oxidative stress, factors that feed cancer cells and speed up aging. These oils are heavily processed and often contain harmful trans fats, which not only damage cells but also disrupt your hormones. When your body is dealing with chronic inflammation from these oils, it becomes harder to regulate blood sugar and insulin levels, leading to faster aging and a higher risk of diseases like cancer. Dr. Mindy recommends switching to healthy fats like olive oil, avocado oil, ghee, or MCT oil. These oils are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that support cellular health and metabolic balance. By making this simple swap in your cooking and food choices, you can significantly reduce your risk of inflammation and protect your body from the damaging effects of bad fats. Conclusion: it's clear that not all vegetables or foods are created equal. While some might seem harmless, they can actually feed cancer cells and harm your body in ways you wouldn't expect. By avoiding conventional potatoes, iceberg lettuce, carrots, celery, and bad oils, you can drastically reduce inflammation, oxidative stress, and your risk of serious health conditions. Remember, the key to longevity and health is not just about what you eat, but the quality of what you eat. Opt for organic or regeneratively grown foods, switch to healthier oils, and make sure you're supporting your body with the best possible choices. Are you already avoiding any of these harmful foods? Or are you planning to make changes after learning this? Share your thoughts and tips in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you're improving your health.